Is meal prep something you struggle with? Let me help. I'm going to review some meal prep delivery services so you don't have to waste your time or money. Today we are reviewing a meal from Power Plate Meals. We've got the barbecue beef brisket and mashed potato. Take a quick look at the nutrition information here. We've got 383 calories, 40 grams of protein. Not quite sure how many carbs it has, but we're going to call it like 50. And then it's got 4 grams of fiber. And we've got 11 grams of fat with 655 milligrams of sodium. Looks and smells really good. And honestly, it looks like something that I would meal prep at home. Mashed potatoes are looking good. They've got the skins in. Green beans look nice and fresh. And the beef brisket just looks fantastic. Let's get into it. Beef brisket time. Good flavor. It's not dry. And it tastes like something that you make at home. Mashed potatoes, nice and thick, just the way I like them. Green beans are solid. I would recommend.